One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Let's talk about some more reservation shaving. Oh, Uber.
Oh, I don't know, man.
All right, so this one was a reservation that came in to a driver at 6:21 was the offer for this particular trip. And it was $6.21 for 5:45 in the morning, already probably online. And then it came in at $13.55, but it also had a $9.25 surge included on that. So if you take that $9.25 away, it's like $4 and some change. So what's going on? 6:21 to 4?
Well, this is the typical shave, which I'm going to do after the show. Except I'm not going to lose money shaving. This one. This has been going on forever now. I don't know, man. You know, I'm telling you something, okay? These things are not only demoralizing, right? It's exploitation, shady as shit, partly illegal probably, because I'm betting what we discovered about a month ago, Chris, is illegal. But we're going to talk about the next topic on that. But I'm going like, okay, see, I understand Uber's side of the story here, okay? They have to play these games to earn the most amount of take rate on each trip. That has to be done. But what I don't understand is that their blind ears, eyes, deaf ears, blind eyes to how it affects the driver's morale, how it affects the driver's outlook towards their company. That's what I don't understand. Now, if you're going to say they don't give a shit, they're going to do what they're going to do to make the most amount of money, okay, fine. But ultimately, this driver, when he figures this out and he's going to go, screw you, I'm going to drive for Lyft or whatever. And I'm going like, I get it. I get both sides of the story here. But we discovered this, as you know, on exclusive trips from the get-go, literally a week into upfront fares. You know, we even put up some negative equity trips, Chris, if you remember. So they have to do it. They have to do it. And they keep doing it. I don't know what's going to change, honestly. I don't know, but we'll see.
Yep. So either way, moral of the story is shady.
Definitely
not much you can do about it, but you don't have to take trips that aren't worth it for you. So just know that whatever they're doing in the back end, they're always trying to do into their favor, not your favor. But you know, if it pays well enough and you want to take it, by all means take it. But
well, to start with, you shouldn't be taking a trip, a reservation for $6.21. I don't know how fucking close it is, number one. Number two, you have to be online half hour to 45 minutes, depending what city you're in before then. I mean, figure this out, folks. These are joke numbers. Don't just do it. Don't even look at it. Just flip it and say, no, thanks. You know, I mean, come on now.
It's insane. Either way, moral of the story is just watch out. You got to look out for numero uno, and that is you.
For sure.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.